Hello everyone, my name is Jessica. I go by Jessie. I am in the BSN program here at Galen. I just moved here from Boulder, Colorado to the Nashville area, so if you have any suggestions of things to do on our downtime, that would be great. I have 2 horses. This is Cloudy. She is my retired thoroughbred that's happily living at home. This is Maggie. She is my warm blood who is hopefully going to come down to Nashville at the end of October. I have a golden retriever named McKinley. She's 6 years old. She is an English cream golden who loves to hike and go swimming. Our favorite holiday is Christmas, simply because of the snow. We like to hike and do all the fun things outdoors. And here's one of our beautiful hikes we went up to in Ouray, Colorado. It's up near Telluride. This is my best friend in the entire world. His name is Justin. We've been dating for about 4 years. This is my mom, Sue. And yeah, she's one of the biggest supporters in my life. I don't know if I would be here without her. Chasing my dreams. This is John. He's my dada. One of my biggest supporters. My dog is obsessed with him. I love him to death. This is my grandmother, Nana. She was a nurse who graduated from a school in New York in 1945. One of my cool facts about her is I found her pin from 1945. And it's one of the favorite things in the world. Another fun fact about me is my favorite food is anything Asian cuisine. My goal for this course is to learn the effective communication skills that I need to succeed in nursing. And after graduation, I hope to become a pediatric nurse for a couple years to get my skills honed in and maybe a nurse practitioner. And that's pretty much all about me.